Hi guys, so for today's video, I'm going to demonstration paano po mag-attach ng file using Google Drive. Okay po, so first, click the link. Okay po, using Android phone po tayo for today's video. So, ito po, nakikita nyo po yung drive. Hindi po natin siya nakikita po automatically. So, just click yung tatlong dot po doon. Just click the tatlong dot. And then, you're going to use open in a Chrome. And then, automatically po, maglo-loading po siya. Yan. So, paano sir pag hindi pa po siya ganyan? Just click nyo lang tatlong dots. And then, i-click nyo lang po ito. Desktop site. Ayan, ganyan po kapag ayan, ganyan po ang itsura kapag na-open nyo po siya sa Chrome ng nalabas pong ganyan. So, ang gagawin po natin, click nyo na yung tatlong dot. Again, just click first step is click the 3 dot and then you're going to click the desktop site. Okay po? Just click the desktop site. Then, maglo-loading po siya. And then, ito po ang mag-a-appear po sa ating screen using the Android phone. Okay? Sir, paano po mag-add? Okay, so, just click lang po, new. Click nyo lang po yung new. And then, if you want to upload files, yan, just click file upload. And then, you're going to choose using your Android phone what particular code using, paano po mag-upload po ng Google Form. Again po, i-click nyo lang po yung ating new. Just click the new. Ayan, makikita nyo po doon yung new folder, file upload, folder upload, Google Docs, Google Sheet, Google Slides, Google Form, yung more. Sa more po natin, andun din po ang Google Drawings, Google My Maps, Google Sites, Google Apps Script, Google Jamboard, and so on and so forth na connected po sa ating Google Drive. Okay, so ang tanong po kanina, may tanong po sa message last time, sir, paano po mag-upload po ng Google Form? Just click the Google Form, and then, ito po mapapakita. Yan. Create in a share folder. To create, it will share the same people and select folder. So, ang gagawin po natin, just click the select and share. And maglo-loading po siya, mag-new tab po, and then, you're going to create what specific Google Form you're going to do. For example po, so gagawa po tayo ng example po natin. For example, gagawa po ako ng quiz sa TLE, sa subject ko po. Ayan, so i-delete lang po natin yon. Then, palitan po natin ng title. And kapag ganyan po always na nalabas, i-click nyo lang po ng i-click. Delete nyo lang po ng delete using your keyboard. Okay, TLE. Quiz. Quiz number 1. Ganyan lang po siya. I-delete nyo lang po yung first word. And then, if you want to put description, ayan, paglagay po kayo. For example, questions. And kung naman sa question, again, it's up to you what question particular things you're going to do. And for example, this is one. So, it's a process of cutting meat into it. So, ito po yung choices po natin sa Google Form po natin. We have different choices. And short, paragraph, checkbox, draft, file upload. Then, it depends po, ayan, kung ano po ang instruction po sa atin, kung ano pong gagawin natin. But, for now, we're going to use multiple choice. Click nyo lang po yung option. Then, ayan, clever. Another option, just click another option. Click nyo lang po yun. And then, slicing, example, slicing. Then, next, click other option. Pairing, example po natin. Okay? Then, after po nun, ganyan po magiging itsura. So, pwede pong tingnan, paahaw po, makikita po natin kung anong kinalabasan po ni ginawa po natin Google Form. Click nyo lang po yung parang may mata po doon, like just eyes. Ayan, ito na po yung example, or ito na po yung question number 1 po na gagawin po natin. Okay? Sir, paano po malalaman kung nandun na po siya sa Google Drive po? Okay? balikan nyo lang po. I-click nyo lang po yung folder na yon. And then, ayan, automatic na po, ando na po yung ating ginawang Google Form. Okay pa? So, I think that's it for today's video. So, if you have questions, clarifications regarding to our video for today's video, so just comment on the comment section, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe na rin po, and open for suggestion for our next upload. Thank you so much. This is your host, your speaker is now signing off po. Thank you.